Hi, I'm Caroline Mili Artiss and welcome back to Keep Calm and Bake. This episode we have got a treat in store for you. We're doing a salted caramel millionaire shortbread. So everything in moderation, I say, and this is an exceptionally good baking dish. To start with, we're going to make the shortbread base, which is very easy. Now I'm bunging everything into a food processor. If you don't have one of these, don't worry, you can do it all in a bowl using your hands. That's perfectly fine. We just have a few ingredients. Plain flour, that's going in. Butter, cold butter as well. So this is cubed, I've had it in the fridge. Oh, it's not coming out. That's how cold it is. And don't worry, we have got all the ingredients listed in the description box for you. Okay, so pop the butter in. Now we've got sugar going in. And semolina. Now the semolina gives the shortbread a bit of a crunch basically, so it's going to have a nice crunchy base. So just add everything in all at the same time. Now we're just going to keep pulsing this until it forms a big ball of dough. Wonderful. Right. Now I've got a baking tray already lined and my oven is preheated. Again, I'm just going to take out this doughy mixture, pop it onto the baking tray, and we're going to squish it down so that it covers all the all areas. Okay, so spread it out like so, and this is the base. This is your shortbread. Once it's evenly pressed down, get a fork and then prick the base all over with little holes. This helps it bake. Helps the air kind of come out whilst it's baking, and so it's not going to rise. We're going to pop this into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's golden and cooked through. Now to make the lovely caramel, I'm going to add all of my ingredients to a saucepan. So butter, not for the faint-hearted this. Yes, there's a lot of butter in there. And now we have golden syrup. Pour that all in. Love golden syrup. Last ingredient is a tin of condensed milk. Again, just whack it all into a saucepan. Now I just want to heat this very slowly so all the ingredients melt together. And then we're going to leave it to bubble away on a kind of low, gentle heat for about maybe 6 to 8 minutes. And what you'll see is that it turns a lovely golden caramelly colour. And then once it becomes a bit thicker, you can take it off. Great, this looks ready. Ooh, and it smells so good. Right, my shortbread has come out of the oven and it's now cooled down. Caramel is ready to go on top. Oh, I love this. This is why I like cooking so much. Okay, so just pour it over. Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious me. This smells so nice. And we're going to leave this now to cool down. And once this layer is cool, then we can add the chocolate. And then we can eat it. Now I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt because we're doing the salted caramel version. And I've got the flakes, which I think are nicer than the actual fine granules, because when you bite into this, you get like a little chunk of the saltiness. Combine that with the sweetness, because this is ridiculously sweet, but it's good. And the two, yeah, it just goes so nicely. I'm putting about a teaspoon. So it all depends on how much salt you like in there. Some people put half a teaspoon, I'm putting about a teaspoon worth. Just sprinkle it around. Now I'm just gonna leave this to cool, and once this is cool, then I'm gonna pop the chocolate on top, and then I'm going to eat all of it. Now the last layer is the chocolate. So just melt up your chocolate and pour it on top. Yum. There we go. Whoa. Very nice. Makes me happy doing this. Spread your chocolate nice and evenly around. Now, if you like recipes like this, then don't forget to subscribe, because we have plenty more delicious recipes for you. Now I'm just going to leave this to cool down, and once it's cool, we can cut it. Now this is what your millionaire shortbread should look like. A lovely layer of shortbread, then the caramel, and then the chocolate. And obviously wait till it goes nice and hard, and then you can cut it into pieces like so. Oh, I'm going to cut it into long strips. There you go. Yum. And this would make a really lovely kind of like coffee time treat. Or maybe you want to make a whole tray of this and take it, bring it along to a friend's house. All right, there we go. And whoever you're making this for is going to be very happy. Now I'm going to have a little taste. There's something about this saltiness in the caramel that just makes this very Moorish and very dangerous. But I hope you really enjoy making this recipe. Please leave us your comments, and stay tuned for more. Keep calm and bake.